you putting the kitty cat in the purse?
Yeah. Use your hands.
Does he?
Oh,
Where's the kitty cat?
see, I caught it with my hands. Catch it with your hands. Not your leg.
Oh, very nice. Look, you need to do both handles though. Roman, are you catching the ball for Daddy? Oh, there goes the puppy. See, who needs a puppy when you have a kid?
Come here.
Give the kitty cat a kiss. Kiss your kitty cat. Give the kitty cat a kiss. Mwah. Oh, good girl. Love the kitty cat. Oh, that's sweet.